feel like going away to Vermont. Anytime I'm discussing a brand new Subaru, I feel like just packing up some stuff for the weekend, going up to the cabin in Vermont and just taking it easy. Am I weird? A little bit weird. Sorry. In this video, what I want to do for you is tell you exactly what a brand new Subaru Forester is going to cost you as far as what kind of discount to get, what sort of lease payment to expect, what sort of maintenance and repair costs you should expect, as well as some average insurance premiums for you. That way you have some peace of mind if you're doing the right thing. What is happening, guys? Ari here from Boston Automotive Consulting, and in the description below you're going to find resources to help you not only land the very best deal on a Subaru Forester, but you'll be able to check out insurance rates as well as get your auto credit scores. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, because this whole channel is going to teach you everything you're going to need to know so that you can negotiate your best possible deal. Smash the like button if you haven't. At least give me that, will you? In this video, I want to discuss exactly what the markup is like, what the invoice is like. Let's hit it. In the United States, at the moment, we've got more than 20,000 2021 Subaru Foresters, and of those more than 20,000 Subaru Foresters, we've got 2,636 base. They're now calling them the crossover all-wheel drive, 7,200 premium, 3,559 sports, 4,936 limiteds, 3,005 tourings. Since we've got a ton of premiums, of those more than 7,000 premiums, I've got one picked out with an MSRP of $32,154. Now, Subaru typically sees a markup of about 6%. However, 8% should not be really an issue if you've reached the 6%. So try and get 8 like me. So if I'm targeting this Subaru at 8% off, it brings me down to a target selling price of $29,580. Now, at the moment, Subaru isn't offering any sort of rebate or anything like that. However, they are offering a loyalty incentive for Subaru customers in the amount of $500. They are offering a promotional APR at 0.9% at 48 months, as well as 1.9% up to 72 months with a 90-day deferment. Try to just pay this thing off as quickly as possible. If you need to take the 1.9%, at the very least, take it at 60. Just chip away at the thing, will you? Now, assuming that we took the promotional APR at 1.9% at 60 months or 72, whatever, it brings me down to the final selling price that I'm targeting of $29,580. Now, similarly, if you're going to be leasing, still going after this $29,580, we don't have any lease cash coming from Subaru. And the reason why is because Subaru has a very, very high residual. On the Forester, we've got a residual at 65%. for 36 months at 10,000 miles a year, coupled with a moderately high money factor as well, 0.00167. Now, plugging this all into the lease calculator and just assuming we're giving just our inception fees due at start, so first payment, acquisition fee, doc fee, registration, all that stuff due up front, roughly about $1,645. We're actually still pretty low here. We'd be talking about $347 a month. That's including Mass State sales tax, you guys. Pretty decent deal here. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Leave me a thumbs up if the payment seems okay for 8% off. Now, I do want to give you guys a little bit of a warning as far as maintenance and repair costs go. In the research that I did before making this video, I did find some articles stating that the Forester has, for some odd reason, one of the highest repair and maintenance costs of not just any Subaru, but of a lot of cars, period. I do want you to do a little bit of homework after this video, after hearing me say that maintenance and repairs could be a little bit costly. The average maintenance and repair costs that I found to be sort of the average was $565 for maintenance and $630 for repair. Not exactly cheap for a Subaru. Now, as far as insurance goes, insurance was coming in at roughly around $1,350 in the United States. We've got $1,095 in Arizona, $1,510 in California, $1,650 in Florida, $985 in Illinois, $1,055 in Massachusetts, $2,300 in Michigan, $1,390 in New York, $1,260 in Pennsylvania, $1,595 in Texas, $790 in Virginia. Not too bad on that end. Definitely want to encourage you guys to visit the links in the description below to shop around for the deal on the Subaru Forester. Check out insurance rates, get your auto credit scores, and if you found this information useful, please consider subscribing. Leave me a thumbs up, will you? Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.